And if you have any question, you can unmute yourself and you can ask the question. So Raj, over to you.
Yeah, thank you for this being a session. Okay,
Thank you
so
so much,
everyone,
Raj.
hi.
And yep, and I'm sorry to interrupt. And also, I would like to say thanks to Snehal for coordinating each and everything end to end. And thank you, Raj, for your time. Yep, over
Yeah,
to you,
sure.
Raj.
Yeah, already introduced me about my professional. I'm working 10 year in the IT industry. Okay, and I have given a lot of training to the Scrum Master, business analyst, and Jira training to the n number of people. Okay, this is the demo from the everyone, like how to use the particular Jira in practical way. Okay, not in theoretical way. What are the situation, what are the faces, like a problem, what are the challenges you're facing while we using the Jira. Okay, based on that only we are going to scratch level Jira basic with advanced level. Okay, that is the exactly training what I'm going to give for the next 1 month. And based on your interest and your hard work also is required for me, because of only 2 hour, it doesn't help you after the 2 hour class. After what you are working on a 3 to 4 hour your practice. Okay, that is exactly good for us. Okay, and I'll share my screen what I'm going to teach you for next 1 month. Okay, uh, we have an agenda already. You know very well what are the things as per the this content. Okay, uh, is it visible my screen, everyone?
Yes, you're audible.
Yes, visible.
Yeah, okay. Instead of going to yeah, this is my 20 to at least 30 hours for this all the regarding the Jira informations. Okay, basic things to what is the Jira. These are the more on the PPT side. Okay, initially it will take only half an hour classes, because of more on the practical what I'm going to share you for my things is directly Jira board only. Okay, here onwards I will start with how to create the project. Okay, initially once we get the Jira things. Okay, login, either you are in, when you went already you are working in the IT industry. Okay, maybe you are installing the Jira software in the new situation. In that moment, how to, someone is project manager asking to you how to create the project, that will be start with the project. Okay, that onwards to the how to do the dashboard. Okay, the dashboard is nowadays advanced, everyone is using the dashboard. We have different gadget here. Okay, that we are going to be one by one, step by step we are going to teach you. And meanwhile, just I will start with my presentations here. Okay, yeah, this is a things is step by step what I am going to do. First we are going to the Jira history, and what exactly Jira, how the Jira is come. Okay, this is a Atlassian tools from the Australian. Okay, it's 2001, it's introducing for the bug tracking. But after that it's acquiring to the every industry in the, okay, the finance, marketing, and different manufacturing industry also nowadays they are using for the Jira tool. It is already to 60 to 70% covered to the all over in the software other industry also. Other than we have competitor with the Rally, Azure DevOps. Okay, Sapna. Okay, these are the tools all we are using. But Jira is popular to the wherever you can go. Nowadays in the interview level they ask about the Jira only. Do you know the Jira basic? Do you know about the Jira advanced level? How to do the workflow? How to do that streamline? Okay, how to do the filter? Okay, these are the basic things nowadays they're asking in the industry level. Okay, I know everyone is Jira is a more on to the project management and bug tracking or issue tracking tool. Okay, we have an issue different type of the like epic to user story, task, subtask. Okay, we can make the customize also based on the technical debt spike. Okay, we can use any test cases also. We can use it in the particular issues also. Initially what happened, there are two type of the project will be there. Usually we get a confused where we can use the team level and company managed. Okay, nothing. Usually when you go to industry level, someone is, you are already you are saying that I know very well Jira. Someone is asking your project manager, Raj, can you create the project? Okay, we need to ask that either is a team manage or company manage. Team manage nothing, but we are going to create the single project in the single board only. But company manage, we are going to create the single project in multiple Jira board. It means usually company manage we are going to use as the scale agile framework, Nexus, and discipline agile. These are the enterprise level more than the single team, Scrum team. Okay, either should be the Scrum team will be consisting of the less than 10 people. Okay, one Scrum master, one product owner, the remaining the developer, front end, back end testers. Okay, these consisting that I'm going to tell you why we need to use the company manage and team manage. And what we there is no difference, only 30 to 40% some functionality is different. Other than should be both are same, only the Jira board will be more in the company manage. Then I will go to the how to create the project. Is initially everyone know that either which template I need to use, that Scrum or Kanban. If the people don't know about the Scrum or Kanban framework, I'm going to teach you a little bit about the what exactly Scrum, what is the role here, some of the things. Okay, see, these are the things basically I'll take it 50 to 20 minutes beginning days. Okay, and I will use these are the terminology what where we are using all the information I have capturing here. This also I'll give the information more on that. Based on that, what is Scrum? Suppose some people not be aware about the Scrum framework. Okay, 50 minutes, 20 minutes. I will be initially I'll teach you in this session only for Jira Confluence session. Yeah, these are the things. And just 1 minute. Yeah, based on that I will go to how to, these are the functionality models what we are going to your work project filter dashboard. Usually what happen once you get that particular this Jira access. Okay, usually what happen, you are going to create the new project. Okay, either team based, either should be a company based. How we are going to do that, just we will do one demo here. Okay, suppose you have already have access. Suppose if I go to the new project, create the project, I can go the create the project. So see here, we are different industries. Suppose finance, human resources, marketing, but we are working on the IT software development. Okay, we need to use the software development only. Here, what is the Kanban? What is the Scrum? What is the product discovery? These are things will become. You need to know that either which project, what I'm working that project suitable for Kanban or Scrum. Based on that, your project complexity. Suppose if a new scratch project will be there, we are choosing the Scrum only. But the thing is, if we have already existing project, we have a lot of the ticket, we have a lot of the incident will be there, then we are using the Kanban. Okay, suppose if I go to the Scrum particular, use the template. Okay, we see here team manage and company manage, that is the questions. Why we are using the team manage and company manage, you know very well. Then only you can choose the particular these options only. If your team, your project should be enterprises level, your project should be more than you require the Jira board table, okay, dashboard, okay, whatever things, you can choose the company manage only. So suppose if I choose the company manage, you just write the any project, Raj project. Okay, then it should be keyword will be there. This keyword always should be linked with your issue Jira link. Okay, suppose if you write the backlogs and all, this keyword RCP 01, RCP 02, your issue number will be rise it while we creating the backlog. Just remember that. Yeah, we'll go to the next. This is one example I'm going to how to create the. Yeah, if you want to link the Confluence and other things and plugins, we can do it here. Yeah, once we have created this particular board, because of this is a, I am using company manage. Okay, here how to use a different board. See here, we need to create here different board. Either should be Kanban, either should be a Scrum board based on your project complexity or project whatever things. What based on your project manager, your team will be deciding that why we need to use particular either should be Scrum, either should be Kanban. In this safe level, you know very well, Scale Agile framework, we are using Kanban or Scrum also. Okay, yeah, this one a little bit basic things I will teach you. What is a Kanban? It's a workflow. Why the Kanban? How Kanban is brought in the initially it's brought from the manufacturing level. After that, it will go to the industry level. Okay, why is it more onto the visualizing a workflow? It should be we are limiting the work progress limit. Okay, and we have a to do working progress and then column will be there. Okay, that I'm going to give the 15 to half an hour from the initially regarding the Scrum and Kanban framework, basic things only. Those who don't know that, okay. And meanwhile, we have a different options will be there. Your work nothing but whoever suppose if assigned to means these are the user ticket, like a ticket or user story as assigned to me. Instead of going to every time in the board, we can go in the assigned to me, and we can work on that easily. It means it is a more productivity, is reducing the time level. Okay. And suppose if I see that here, the filter dashboard and application. Okay, here we have different type of the plugin applications will be there. I'm going to teach you why we require these are the different plugin application where we can use it. Example, suppose if someone is deleted your user story, someone is deleted your something, any comment, other things. Okay, how we can find out user the edit log. Okay, we can go the edit log. Here we can see it, anyone is modified the user story and anyone deleted your user story, we can find out easily here in the edit log only. There are different plugin will be there. Just this is one example for the plugin I'm saying that. Another plugin, how to do the prioritizations in the dependency tables and story mapping. Okay, these are, we have also the timesheet also we have in the plugin. I'm going to teach you, there are 100 plugin will be there more than, but I'm going to teach you more than like five or six most important the industry what they are using in presently. Okay. And meanwhile, you know how to create the project. Okay, these are the recent project what we have created, whichever we are working on, the based on that we can go with. And filter is most important. The you can learn the filter all the things based on the scenario again, assignee wise, label wise, the task level, epic wise, and how many particular person done in the particular period, and work in progress level. Okay, these are the things we are going to learn in the filter. Okay, the most important is the dashboard. Okay, dashboard usually what happen, we are going to be a high level management, they don't want to see all the things what we have created, backlog, other things and all. They will come, they will see the dashboard. They will see the all the, there are a different type of the gadget we have. Okay, suppose example, I'm just creating one dashboard, just showing. Okay, here we need to be whom is a viewer, either private means I am able to only person can see this particular dashboard. But here the project means only your team member in the project level either should be whatever the internal external stakeholder will be part of the project in that project, they can able to view your dashboard. Group means you have make only group, only developer, tester, and product owner, scrum master, they can able to see particular this dashboard only. Okay, support my organization means all the team member, like a whole whoever working in your organization, they can able to see your dashboard, those who are already accessing the Jira board. Okay, only user can be only particular user, we can write the name and we can use it. And private means only person who is created the dashboard, they can able to see this dashboard only. Suppose example, I put a my organization, anyone can be able to view my dashboard only. See, we have this is open source only. We have only 37 gadget will be there. Okay, we have if you have a paid versions, more than 130 gadget will be 130th gadget. We can able to see that the gadget nothing but more on the dashboard. We can visualizing the work progress about where exactly they are. We have different type of the pie chart. We have a different type of the like a two-dimensional and test case scenario, test case executions. Okay, we can add those gadget, and we will work on it how to make the report properly. Instead of sending to spending in excel sheet and spending to other things, if you're creating the dashboard, you don't require to it should be automatically updating the every 50 second, every 50 minutes, every 30 minutes. Okay, 1 hour. You can take a screenshot and you make the report everywhere, where weekly status reports or sprint wise report you can send to the your manager. Otherwise, if you providing the access to them, they can view in the based on the in the this dashboard only. That is exactly I'm going to teach you in the for this training. And meanwhile, the team is how to create the team and how to invite the people. These are the basic things only. This is also required. Sometime what happen, people don't know how to invite the to Jira and create the team also. This one also I'm going to teach you. And more on that, yeah, these are the most important functionality for you. Next I'll go to that sorry. Yeah, these are the things is timeline, backlog, board, report. Yeah, why the timeline is required. Okay, the most important here, the timeline in the scale agile framework, we need to be when we are going to fix the report. release date. Okay, when we are going to deliver particular epic wise or user story wise. Okay, we have a some mm, we have some roadmap. Okay, we before it was the roadmap. Now they have changed the timeline only. If you see that how the dependency will be there, one epic to another epic, we can find out easily. That also I'm going to teach you for this training. Yeah. And backlog, okay, most important, the backlog. Before that backlog, suppose if you don't know about what is a backlog and product backlog item, what are the things will be there, how to create the backlog and how to move to the sprint product backlog to sprint backlog, what is the difference between the product backlog and sprint backlog. Okay, these are things, basic things will be there. I have a ppt those things later. Once basic things we will be go with all the information later. How to move to the these backlog to sprint backlog to the start the sprint. Okay, and before the sprint backlog, what we are doing in the sprint planning, capacity planning, velocity story estimation. These are the things will be we are working on this Jira board. Okay, then a board will be there. Okay, here board is most important, means we need to be customizing board as per our organizations, like dev in progress, dev completed. This is the most important in the workflow. Okay, how to create the workflow, how to be move to the trans status to one to another status, how to make the, if we are using in Kanban. Okay, how to fix the work in progress limit. Okay, suppose working progress limit, we can fix the only 3 or 4 item based on our team capacity level. We can't go more than that. Okay, it means if you go more than that, we will be get the bottlenecks. That is exactly for this training to help you helpful for everyone to regarding that one also. And report side is most important. We have different type of the report: burn down chart, velocity report, cumulative flow diagram. Okay, cycle time report. Yeah, these are one by one. I'll go with a different example with why we used to burn down chart, what will be impact on the burn down chart. Okay, if burn down chart is there somewhere, we have an impediment in the team member, how to resolve the impediment. Yeah, these report will be again high level team management level, they are going to see that in the status report. Okay, that again I'm going to covering this training. Yeah, most important, if you go to the project setting again, we have a different type of access. Okay, I'm going to give the access here. Also we can do the team access here. Suppose if I want to give the access to the admin, developer, member, viewer. Okay, we different role will be there, we can give the access to them. They can have access, they can use the Jira board. We have issue type. Okay, we have what are the, we can customizing issue. If you want anything different field, we can add it and we can remove the field also. Okay, that is also one by one based on the customizations we can work on that. Yeah, in the issue type we have a different issues. Okay, we can go with the epic, what is the epic, what is the user story, and task, who is creating a subtask. Okay, these are the basic things again I'm going to cover in this particular training. And most important, you need to learn here, that is called by as the configure board. Okay, this is the most important configure board. Nowadays everyone is asking. Okay, configure board. Okay, we have a column and we have a how to we make the workflow diagram based on the our process. Okay, customizing. Okay, example, just 1 minute. Suppose if we want to be suppose only in our team testings people working on that, we can remove the dev environment only. Okay, suppose if I want to add any other thing, production ready for release is there. Okay, some we have a cab approval one column. Okay, we need to be cab approval, we can add the cab approval separate column here. Okay, if we don't want to be, we can remove that one. I will teach you how to do that. These are the basic things only, but based on the scenario wise we can do these are the informations. Just 1 minute, I will show you that another workflow. Just Yeah, this is because of this is a team managed particular Jira board. Actually, it is in, again I am going to creating that one. I will show the Kanban. Okay, how exactly. Um, yeah, yeah, this is most important. You are going to learn here, like how to set up that different type of the configuration. This is advanced level. How to general, okay, how to fix that your filter, save filter. Okay, suppose if based on your project, okay, either go to the label wise or the epic wise, or there should be user story wise. Okay, we need to create the, suppose now exactly project is a RD order by the rank AC. Okay, all the features, all the user story can be, it will be implementing in my Jira board. But suppose if we want to the switching this one, we can go with a different type of the we have uh, Jira JQL options will be there. Okay, we can use those JQL options, and we make the different type of the filter, and we can add in the Jira board. And second thing, suppose if I go to that just 1 minute. Okay. Yeah, here suppose if you want to only give the permission to particular board. Okay, we can give the permissions also. We have a global level, we have a different type of the permissions will be there. Okay, we need to work on these are the permission. Why this exactly for a Jira admin, but I don't want to go that much level of this one Jira admin permission level. But we can most important in the swimline and workflow. Okay, that is good for learning for the advanced level. Yes, here I told you column, different type column, how to the adding the columns in suppose if I want to the QA in progress. Okay, progress. Okay, we can add the columns. Okay, we can add the status also, that we can learn here. And most important, swimline, there we have different type of swimline. If you want to go with the assignee wise will become in the in the Jira dashboard. Okay, epic level, project level. Okay, these are the things we are going to learn from this training. And more on quick filter, color, card color, we have different type of the colors will be there, how to add the colors. And card layout, how to make the card layout based on that Jira things. Okay, yeah, these are the advanced level we are going to be learn from this our training. Yeah, this is more on that I have covered more than that in my topic. See, these are the things like working with issues, dashboard reporting, how to, we have more than 130, but we are not using 130 gadget. Okay, around 15 to 20 gadget is most important as per the industry. But the thing is how we need to learn practical things. Means suppose someone, your project manager, someone is asking how to create the backlog, you need to know that. Okay, what is a backlog, how to be creating the backlog. Okay, what is the label, what is the clone here. Okay, what is the parent, how to link the parent. Okay, what is the discrepancy, some people are they call acceptancy criteria. Okay, these are the basic things we are going to, we need to set up the label. Okay, label nothing but if we have a certain login page, one label, under the label we n number of user story will be creating. Okay, those are the login page, those should be a forget password, maybe the new registration. Okay, different type of the user story will become in the label. Okay, same assignee sprint. Okay, yeah, these are the basic things. Yeah, this is whole about high level training what I'm going to be taking for the next one. More on a practical side only, it means how to create the project, how to be adding the team member, how to create the filter dashboard. If you go to the issue, we are based on the scenario wise, we are going to be creating the um, report. Okay, suppose if I go to, if I want to assign ways. Okay, if I just go to the label wise, label wise means suppose only login page, I need a required how many login page user story we have. Okay, See, oh, it's not be the other project. Just I will go to the my banking project. Okay, 1 minute. Here I will show you. Yeah, suppose now if I go to the label, just I need a login pay. How many user story we have? Okay, we can find out there are two user story. They are already done. Okay, suppose if you want to save this one, you can save filter. Okay, as uh, login done item, whatever you can give the name and put it in save as. Okay, next time your manager asking, okay, how many login page done item, you don't go to again issue and click this one, go to the filter, just make it login done item. Okay, then you can get easily for this two item only. There are n number of scenario. This is one scenario I'm just asking you. Suppose if you want to be assignee wise. Okay, if you want to assignee wise, you can go to the again. Yeah, again go to the issue, you can make the filter again assignee wise. More to that, suppose assignees rest me, how many rest me add user story. Okay, these are the user story, how many are done. Okay, suppose save the filter. Okay, suppose someone is asking to rest me how many user stories she had and what is the status. Instead of going to the board and all, you can find out the easily for the rest filter board. Yeah, these are the item has a rest. You can export the data also with the CSV and Excel file also. Okay, you can get the those data, you can send to the your management level also. Okay, and most important, how to import the user story while we creating also. We are going to importing the bulk user story also. Okay, and that is a format should be always CSV format is required while we creating the bulk issues. Yeah, these are the most important things I'm going to teach you for the next 1 month. That's a weekend for the training. Okay, yeah, anyone have any questions?
Yes, I have actually. Shall I post it in the chat or should I go ahead and ask?
You can ask, no problem.
Okay, so like we have a project. Okay, so under that project, can we have the Kanban as well as Scrum board together?
Yes,
And
we can. I told you now there are two type of the things will be there. I told beginning days only. Suppose your project is like a single project, like a multiple. You are using safe level scale agile framework.
no, in normal
Yeah.
environment as well,
Suppose,
normal environment.
yeah, suppose you are saying that I want to use the two board. Okay, correct. Kanban
Mm-hmm.
and Scrum. You can use it. Suppose I can go with Scrum. Okay, here
Okay.
I just maintaining two level. If you want to more than two board Kanban and Scrum, you can choose the company managed project. Here we can create okay X Y Z project. This is one project, correct? Now
Mm-hmm.
I will go to here. Then yeah, here I can create the different board. Suppose you're saying that I want two board. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
one is Kanban, one is Scrum, one is Kanban. Suppose I'm going to creating the Kanban board. Okay, see here
Mm-hmm.
again. Just back. Yeah, now we have created one ban board. This is the Kanban board, correct? Now
Okay.
I want to create another same project. Same, you are saying that the sprint, like a Scrum. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
see here is the okay. Yes, we have created two board. See, are you able to see my two board? One is TAM, one is ban. Correct.
Right,
This,
right, right.
yeah, we can do it. We can do it. Multiple based on your project complexity, can ban and safe. Okay. Yeah, we can do it.
One
Yeah.
more question I have.
Yes.
So, like we have created two boards, right? So,
Yeah.
if I want different issues to be reported in these two boards, will be I be able to do that using the filters?
Yeah, filter. Yeah, obviously we can use it. What you want in the issue level, what exactly you want. Suppose you have created two, okay. Now you
Mhm,
require particular based on the label wise, we can get the report. We can get the whatever your scenario wise, okay. Example, you're
mhm,
asking some task, okay. Some task it will be there in that report. Some task it will be there in this report. We can get, we can get all the information. Example, just I'll do it now only, okay, live wise. You will get understanding here. This this board, okay. I have created one user story example, okay.
okay,
Just
yeah.
then you will get under. Suppose XYZ I have created.
Mhm,
XYZ I have created, okay. This is the sprint level. I just move to the sprint, okay.
okay,
Now
okay.
it is assigned to someone, okay. Raj example. Yeah,
Mhm,
just assigned to myself only. Now for I put on one label for this one because of we are not created properly this one. Just example, we go to the label something uh, tag, okay, something tag label I put it for this one, okay. This one label I have created. Now I'll move to this one as a I'll start a sprint example, and I'm not putting any story point and all. For a
mhm,
time being I'm just doing, okay, sprint goal, just okay, I'll put it, okay. Now it is moved to the Kanban board, okay, active sprint board, okay. Now it is in progress only, you are saying that, okay. Now
yes,
another things I'm going to be use the ban board only, okay. This is my Kanban board, okay. Same I'm
yes.
using here for example, just 1 minute. Yeah, yeah, here I can because of something, okay. I'll creating the again user story, something here,
Mhm,
ABC, that is my user story, okay. For the
mhm,
label again I'm going to creating label here different because of here is a label is the India, just example, okay.
mhm,
New label, okay. I'm just creating this one. Yeah, now it is in my I'm just moving to the again it is the selected for development, okay. Now you are asking I want this to report, okay. So I can go to the issue, okay. If I go to the issue, go to the more, make the label, okay.
mhm,
So click the label, we have two, one is India, one is India, correct. Tag and
mhm.
India. Now
Right.
you can take the, yeah, see, ABC got it. We need to select the another one. What we have it is okay.
So the thing is like the issues, two issues we have created, they are created under the same project, right?
Something noise is coming. Hello.
Hello. Yeah. So two issues that you have created that are created under the same project, correct?
Yeah, same project. Correct.
Okay. Now these two issues, if I go to the Kanban board and if I go to the Scrum board, these two are visible under the same project in both of them, correct?
But in the not in the board only. I'm talking
Mhm.
about now. You can able to see these two user story in the same board. You're asking, but you can get the report in the issue wise. Okay. Suppose if I want to report in the same way, we can based on the label wise, we can get the
Right.
report.
Okay. I
But
don't I don't want to see the report. I just want to see the board, like if both the boards, like what stories I'll see on those boards.
yeah, you can then you can go to suppose, yeah, in that level you can just go to the here only. If you want to see the band board, you can see
Kanban board.
this is the way. You don't see in the single board. No, you can't. In the tab board, you can see here only, able to see.
Because we have created those two stories under different boards. That's why we won't be able to see them together.
Yes, we can't see in the same board. Okay, sorry.
Okay. Okay.
Instead of what happened, this is a company managed. Otherwise, if it is in the team managed, you can go a different project. That is a very hectic. So that reason, what they're doing here only, they can able to see the suppose one scrum master handling a 3-3-4-4 team. Okay, in that
Mhm,
person, this board is the most important. Okay, the
mhm.
XYZ TAM board, this board, that board, he can easily manage very well. That is the reason
Right.
this yeah.
Why I asked is like if under the same project we have two different teams working, one is on Kanban and one is on Scrum. So that is why we might need to create two different boards and two different, like different scenarios or different issues are present under different boards. So
Yeah,
that is why.
suppose example, your team is working, one is Scrum, this is Scrum board, okay, example. Okay, this is the Kanban board. Yeah, you
Right.
can go just click here, you can find out. But you are asking within a single sprint, I want a Kanban. It is not possible.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is not possible because
Okay.
of the way of work is different. Workflow is different. Na? Scrum is different. Kanban is different.
Okay.
Correct. Yeah. Anyone have any question?
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Raj.
Hello.
You're audible. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Ask me.
What I'm asking is actually if you have issues, for example, we arise the bugs, okay, issues. In that
Hmm.
case, we have number of, for suppose 20 issues are there. We need to download in an
Hmm.
Excel. Possible
Okay. Yeah. Possible. It is very easy. I will show you. Okay.
in the
See.
scale, medium, high, priority wise.
Yeah, we can do all the things. Okay, priority wise also we can do it. Okay, go to the issues. Here, just we just like type of the issues. Okay, you're saying that bug. This means if I click the bug, whatever the bugs will be there, you can get the list of the bug. But presently, I'm not created here. Okay, we can get it. Then we can do export the all the bugs. Okay, here if you want to Excel and CSV file, you can export it.
Okay, for suppose one is comes under production, one is comes under staging. In that scenario,
Yeah, here if status is there, okay, we have a in progress. Okay, suppose in progress, I'm not be workflow, we can do dev in progress, dev completed. Okay, these are the things will become. I'll show the example from the banking. Okay, here things is, see here what happened. We have a dev in progress completed, QA in progress, QA completed. Okay, suppose if I go to the issue, you're asking some of the bugs will be there in dev in progress, some of the bugs will be there QA example. Okay, suppose I need to go the types here bug. Okay, then I will go to the click the status. We have a different status. So QA in progress. Okay, ready for some of the bug we have getting ready for release. Some of the bug will we have in the dev in progress. So like okay, these are then you can get the data here. But now presently don't have a data. Then you'll be data you're representing here. You can easily export the data to Excel or any format.
for suppose in the description when we are creating the user story, in that scenario, or if you're creating any bug, there we will mention as some dev or staging environment in that scenario. What we can do it?
No, no, you're asking about comment or like what exactly?
What exact in the sense, for example, if you find the issue in the login page, okay,
Okay, okay.
the login page, and that is comes under staging hyphen the login page issue. We'll write like this, okay,
Hmm, hmm.
in the issue level. Okay, the another issue we raise there we have mentioned as dev login issue. This is what the issue. This is what which I have to mention over there. In that
Okay.
scenario, one is the issue is in high critical, one is in low priority, medium. So I
Hmm.
want the two.
In that moment you need to go like priority wise again. We have a prioritizations. Okay, your prioritizations you can get the particular go to the bug. Okay, high level and medium level, based on that your descriptions you can get the priority level. You can export, that is also possible.
Okay, okay. You got
Yeah,
my point. Clear.
yes, I understand, I understand.
Okay.
Yeah, anyone have any question?
Hello.
Okay, I'm just
Hi.
going. Hi, tell me.
Actually, example, we have created a story. Okay.
Okay.
Um, like the story moves to from dev to in progress. I mean,
Hmm.
in progress, then it moves to done. How the QA
Oh,
knows that story is moved to done, or how we will check? I mean, kind of a subtask. We'll add a subtask as a issue, or what?
it is visible to everyone this board. We have already given access to them. He can see every time.
No, no, not the board level. I'm asking about the story level.
Story level.
Yeah.
How it is based on the
For
trust.
example,
Okay.
currently we are
No.
using a DevOps. I, I will tell you that if we move the story to from in progress to done, you cannot move. There will be a security like you have a subtask like child task or subtask, whatever you call.
Yeah. That one, yes, absolutely. We can subtask until unless the clarity will be not be done. We can't move to the user story. That is agreed. Okay. Yeah,
Is
that is the
there
reason,
is there
sir.
option in Jira? Is there any option in Jira like you can create a subtask as a
Yes,
testing?
we have option. Yes, we can option. We have a suppose example like creating the XYZ one user story. Okay,
Yes,
in
you're creating.
there we
Yeah.
have suppose we have it is in my backlog only. Suppose here we can do subtask also. See, child will be there.
Yeah.
Here,
Can you create a testing as a subtask here as a child?
yeah,
Not
suppose
really.
A, B, C. Okay, subtask one.
Yeah, this
Suppose
is
these
a
are sub.
task. Can we create a testing task here? I mean, QA task.
No, I'm not getting because of
No, no, no.
you.
Here,
You're
here,
saying
here.
that
It
test
shows
cases means we have a different plugin. We are using X-ray plugin and other plugin,
I
but
see. No, no. You created a subtask, right? On the same story, you created a
yes, we have
subtask.
created correct. Tell me.
For example, if you go to the main Epic story, there will be a testing task as well, right?
Yeah.
For example, if you create a story, just click on create story.
Yes, here. Okay. Yeah. Here you want
Okay.
to creating
Here you can
separated.
see the
Yeah.
issue types like story.
Yeah.
Then can you like bug Epic? I want this bug or testing task in the child. Is that possible?
This one we need to do customizing. This one Jira admin. No, I don't know. Sorry for that.
Okay. Thanks.
Sorry, I don't know.
That's my question. Yeah.
Yeah, here basically you want to create a subtask as a bug, right?
Yes.
That is not possible.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyone have any doubt? Yeah, I'm going to hand over to the again.
Raj, I guess Sudha has raised the question. Sudha, please just unmute.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hi,
Yeah.
Ravi. Yeah,
Uh,
so I wanted to know like in the Jira dashboard, if I'm using Sprint Health Gadget, okay,
okay.
so it gives me only the percentage of work that is completed till now in a sprint. So is there a way in the in that gadget itself I can get like how much is the percentage of the work that is in progress?
Yeah, it is providing like suppose 100% out of that 30% you have done as per the Scrum board. Okay, it's showing the gadget that percentage wise. You can get it.
Okay. No, I want to know not just the done percentage. I want to get even the one which is in progress or pending to be done. I mean, yet to be started. So, is there a way it can be done through gadget?
Yeah, we can get it, but presently I don't have the data in the board. Okay, so I'm not able to see that gadget. Whenever we are using the gadget, we need to be all the data in the Scrum board. Okay, then we can get the particular active. Those are the dashboard.
Okay.
I
Thank you.
think by using the two-dimensional, we can get to know that in what state, what status, how many issues are pending.
No, two dimension is I agreed that okay, that is based on the status and assign you where they're exactly how many story they're working either in progress QA. We can get it there, but she's asking about percentage wise. Okay,
So percentage, okay.
yeah, that is the health about the
The
percentage.
pie chart may help in
Yeah,
that.
percentage pie chart will be helping us exactly that also we can get it. So that doesn't we have a different type of the gadget will be there. Okay, we can use it those gadget. Example, if I go to the according to you, I'll go to the dashboard. Okay, suppose Raj dashboard, you are saying that particular pie chart. Okay. Mm, so here we can get the percentage wise according to you. I just adding like go to the filter. I just check with any filter. Yeah, login label. Okay, login label. Just sign wise if you want percentage wise just Suppose there are two, yeah, percentage or Rashmi has done two item, okay, assign wise. Suppose if you want to like just yeah, based on status, epic link creator, assignee status, okay, anything you can get prioritization wise, okay, the n number of things we can creating our gadget. But she's asking about the
No,
this
the sprint
active.
health gadget actually gives you how
Yes,
much time is elapsed, how much percentage is completed, how much is the scope change. So all these things are actually covered in sprint health gadget. So
this one she's asking.
Can you add a sprint health gadget?
Yeah, this is a sprint health gadget, okay. She's asking how much percentage we have, okay, but presently we don't have any data, so I'm not able to
We
get
don't
it.
have a running sprint, I believe. Active sprint is not
Yes,
available.
yes. So that reason I told you, once active sprint we have, then we can make the sprint health gadget, okay, how many are it is in to do, how many are in progress. Based on that workflow, about the customized workflow, okay, we can get it.
okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Raj, can you
Hello.
help me with this plans?
No, pardon, once again.
Plans tab. There's a tab
Yeah,
called plans.
plan I'm not going to help you regarding that. Will be using like a portfolio management team level plan, okay. I'm not
Okay.
that level, I'm not be there, okay. So that
Okay.
reason I just going to be industry level what they're now presently looking on that, okay. Suppose if you go interview,
Mm.
these are the most important interview. They're asking you how to create the gadget, what are the gadget you are preparing for your management level, showing to the status report, okay, how to create the
Yeah.
team. These are the things is most important, okay. When I come to the backlog, they will ask you what is the product backlog, sprint backlog, how to move to the backlog, to the sprint, to the run, to the sprint, okay. These are the
Yeah.
things this is the training is more basic and little bit advanced level.
Okay. Okay.
Rasa, sorry for interrupt. Ravikant,
Yeah,
can you please share your contact number with me? I have already pinged you.
Yeah. I will.
Yeah. Thank you.
yeah. Anyone open question? Yeah, I'm going to hand over to the Snehal. Thank you for everyone for these sessions.
Thank you so much, Raj, and it was very helpful for us. So, one thing just would like to know, I mean, we have also done for this Confluence as well, right? So, if you can showcase a little bit about Confluence and how that is helpful.
Yeah, sure, I will
Okay,
help you
thank you.
regarding that. The Confluence, what happened in there are three most important, like micro and page and space, okay. So if you see that we have a Confluence, okay. Once we using the Confluence link with the particular this one, how to create the page, how to create the space is most important, okay. Here also we have different type of the we have a format, okay. Either should be a different type of space operation. Suppose if I go to that, how to create the user story in the different format, different template we have, okay. How to use this template and link with this template to the Jira board, okay. That I'm going to teach you in only 2 hour classes. I'm not going to cover all the information, because usually this Confluence is more on the documentation side, okay. We are going to be create the documentation, and we are going to share the documentation to other, instead of using the Excel sheet, using for this Confluence tools only. We have different template we have, okay. Which template you want, and you can create it. Suppose the business status update, we have a retrospective, okay. Suppose we retrospective are we using, these are the template we are using, okay. Suppose we have different type of the techniques for like what went well, what did not go well, what need to improvement, and sad, mad, glad, okay, and four else, lad, okay. And suppose a one-to-one meeting, capacity planning, how to do capacity planning, okay. These are the template we are here. Yeah, using these templates and link with Jira, okay. That is very easy to very it's so productivity wise, it means very easy to see everyone, and uh, they can get the data easily, okay. That is the one thing. And other things, this is a space creation, okay. How to create the space, okay. I have created a couple of the documentation. Example, I'll go to the blank one. Just 1 minute. Suppose if I want to create a one this business update, okay, I'll go to here. We have different options to how to create and layout. Okay, suppose it's headlines, we can make the business meeting with them. What is the highlight, what is the risk, what is the updated? Okay, we need to capture here, we need to publish here. Okay, once we publish there, obviously that particular information should be in the Confluence tools only. Okay, and how to add this plugin also I'm going to teach in my classes. More on that, there are three important. One is space, another one is page, third one is micro. Okay, we have a different set of the micro. Okay, here also we have a different gadget we are using. Okay, like codes, pie chart, Jira issues. Okay, we can go with, and based on the we can link with our project. Okay, suppose example banking project, that is my Jira board is already this Confluence link with my Jira board. Okay, suppose I want a particular type of any issues, bugs. Okay, story. So we have 14 issues in that particular. So immediately connecting with the this Jira link connected with the this Confluence link connected to the my Jira board. Okay, we can see all the my user stories with the particular that project, which banking system project I can able to see here. Okay, that is the one thing. Otherwise, what happen, we are going to creating this all the user story in the Excel sheet. Again, we can come to the Jira board, whether these are the things is there or not, we are going to check it. But Confluence, what happen, we go to directly in the project level, what are the project we have, what are things you required. Okay, the story, other things and all. Okay, these are the things is very easy for using the Confluence with the link with the particular Jira board. Yeah, I will cover you in my class all the things. Okay.
Thank you so much, Raj. And additional thing which we will cover, that is Azure board. It is overview just. Okay.
Overview means yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. Just compared to that board and this board, little bit is different. Okay. In there we are using work item. Okay. Same sprint board will be there. We have a capacity planning. We have story estimation. A little bit different is there. I will cover you in the class only regarding that. Okay.
Got it. Got it.
Okay.
Anyone else have any question? Any question? Yeah, Padma, you have any question? You have unmuted. Okay, so I don't know. Fortunately, when we have joined, we were 30. Now we yes, Sujit, please ask your question.
Hi. I actively use Azure. I've not got any exposure on Jira. Is it drastically different from Azure? Because I'm more comfortable with using Azure. That's what we're using.
No, no.
Any sense on that?
Azure sense means like people only differentiate because of why the I'm adding only 1 hour class for that. In Azure, what happened? We have all the CI/CD repository in the same that application. Okay, the board tool only. But Jira, what happened? We are going to plug in all the things in. Like if you want to repository, Git, GitHub, and if you want to do all the CI/CD other stuffs and all, we are going to plug in. Okay, and more on that report side, we will get more. Jira side will be reported very useful. Okay, we can easily understand compared to the Azure. Okay, that is high level I'm going to teach you regarding the difference between the Jira and particular Azure DevOps board. Okay, I'm not teaching about how the CI/CD work, how the Kubernetes work, and how to be we are going to be make the different stage of QA environment, dev environment. Okay, other things, how to move to the branch to the master repository wise. I'm not going to teach that one. Only for only a sprint board. Okay, how the difference between the sprint board compared to my Jira board. That only high level only I'm going to teach you.
Okay.
Any more question if we have,
I have one question.
please ask.
Um, can you just quickly walk me through the capacity planning thing in Jira?
Yeah, here you're saying that capacity planning to Jira. What happened? We need to plug in the one application. Okay, capacity planning particular that one. Then based on that, we are doing the particular story estimations. Okay, we can use the capacity planning. Actually, we usually presently what happened? We are using Excel sheet. Okay, but once we plug in that, we have a suppose example. I will show my screen. Okay, particular. Yeah, this is the capacity planning. First we need to calculating through the Excel, then we can use that plugin app particular capacity planning, then we can add it. Yeah, that option in the Jira board we have a plugin option, but in the Azure DevOps we have an option for the capacity planning, how much story point they're going to work on that based on their capacity. Okay, but this one I'm going to teach you for my Jira while we explaining about the capacity planning in my training. Hello. You got my answer. Again, we have one plugin option is there. I need to be plug in that one. Again, we need to do the capacity planning.
Like, can you name any plugin?
Yeah, we have a timesheet plugin. Okay, we have a timesheet plugin, and we have another one. Uh, re, re, Remove plugin is nowadays they came. Okay, that plugin we are using, but I'm not using that one. Only I'm using Excel sheet presently for in my organization. I'm not using in a Jira plugins any
Yeah,
capacity planning.
because Azure DevOps board gives us the
Yes, yes,
flexibility
yes.
to
Flexibility
like
is yes, exactly. I got it. Flexibility in that one. But Azure DevOps, what happened? People will be more on technical, more on dev and operation. People is very used for the Azure DevOps. But Jira tool from those who are very flexible to those for easy steps to using people. Okay, they can easily understandable for the Jira tool. Uh, Everyone compared to the Azure DevOps.
yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, any more question anyone is having? Yeah, Padma, please ask your question. Padma, we can't hear you. Padma, you can type in chat if because we are not able to hear you. I am not sure if she is. Okay. Raj, she has asked one question during the session. Will it be scenario based?
Hmm.
Yeah.
During
Mhm.
what?
She's asking the question during the training session. Will it be scenario based?
Yes, that is the most important. I'll go with the scenario wise only, step by step. Okay, how to log into, how to make the dashboard. Okay, that is my one thing. How we are using. Suppose example, if project manager come to Padma, you're going to create the project. First, she need to ask either this is a scratch project already. It is the for already the tool is already working on that as an incident project, and we can use this team level or company manage. Okay, we can go by step and see a number of scenario wise like how to create the assignee wise, how to create the epic wise report, okay, how to do dashboard. I'm using a dashboard gadget up to 12 to 15 only. I'm not covering all the gadget because of all gadget we have never used. Only 130 or something gadget we have in the industry are using, but only 13 or 15 gadget is most important. Yeah, practical I will teach you all the information. Yes, but they need to do same day. They need to practice with their Jira board. Okay, that is most important.
Thank you, Raj. Padma, I hope you have got the answer. Okay, thank you, Padma. Anyone else who is having the question? Amol, Ankush, Arun, Sudha, Padma, Renita, Satish, Subramaniam, Sujit. Okay, so thank you so much. And guys, see, this is not the first demo for us. We have done more than I believe 2,000 or 3,000 demo for a various technology. And thank you so much, Sujit. And the tradition is simply like that, which I have observed. Like initially, people show a lot of excitement, and then during the demo, like in this one, around 30 people which we have reached. Right now, only 9 people are there in this forum. So that is the difference here, in the market, and most of the time in Scrum group, which we have, you will surprise that people say we are not getting a call. The reason is because people are not updating themselves. This is a human nature, and especially for Indians, I should say, and there is no sarcastic comment. We find very easy to blame someone else that 3 month notice period or the calls are not coming, all the fake jobs are posting, people are posting on the LinkedIn and they are not calling. The challenge is with ourselves, right? Sometimes we don't point out ourselves that why I'm not getting a call. Believe me, I share my experience with you. In 2022, I had 14 offer letter in my hand and I have to choose in which organization I need to go. The reason was behind because every year in each demo program, I say every year I invest my 10% of my package in learning of anything. And that is the reason till the date I have done more than 36 certification. I have done, or even being an agile coach, I am expert into a cloud. I am expert into a Jira admin, right? I have done these things because I know nowadays it is required. Now, next what I am trying is a prompt engineering, which I am learning. So if you are not going to upgrade yourself, believe me, you will stuck at some point of time. That's a challenge. Now here, we are just going to close this session. This is not any kind of a mentorship that I'm going to give any Gyan lecture here. It is your career and it is your call and it is your choice. We are going to start this session from the next weekend, and the cost which we have kept is very low because usually if you go and ask for the Jira, people are charging 15 to 18K, but here we are covering Jira plus Confluence and an overview about Azure board. The cost is 10,000 which we have kept. Even though we have a EMI facility that you can pay by a credit card with that you can convert into a EMI. So this we are going to I mean, this is about the fees, and this is a one more than 1 month of duration of this program. Now, if you have any question, please ask.
Are we going to cover, hi, this is Amal here. Are we going to cover jQueries, advanced
Raj,
level jQueries,
No,
or?
no,
Mhm.
advanced jQuery I'm not covering, but alternatively, how to get the jQuery I will teach you because of I'm not covering
Oh,
full jQuery required 2 to 3 month to learning. Okay,
oh,
simply
okay.
I don't want to give the false statement to you. Okay,
Correct, correct,
within a
correct.
1 hour,
Fine.
2 hour, you can't learn jQuery. Never.
Yeah, yeah, correct. Good. Fine, fine, thanks.
any more question if anyone is having? Okay, so Snehal will share the link in the same WhatsApp group where you are added. And as I said, from the next week, we are going to start the classes. Doesn't matter whether it's 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, that's more than sufficient. But yes, we will start the class and Snehal will connect with you individual. If you have any question, please ask in the same WhatsApp group or you can ask from Snehal. If you do not have content, we will share it with you. So thank you so much. And one request, please upgrade yourself because believe me, we are sharing the job and last 4 to 5 months, the tradition which we have seen, Scrum Master is no more Scrum Master, they are project manager. It will be on the weekend, Padma. There is no plain vanilla Scrum Master. Now, if you are going to look for the job, you should having a good knowledge about some technology as well, like sometimes Java, sometimes cloud or Azure, right? So please upgrade yourself. Doesn't matter whether from a refer me group or somewhere else, that is your call, right? Wherever you find suitable, but please upgrade yourself. That's a very important. So thank you everyone and have a wonderful career. Enjoy the day with your friends and family. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, Raj. Thank you, Snehal.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.